Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix GLT getting out app not working. So let's get started. So here we can see GLT getting out app. So if it's not working for you, you have to follow these steps. Just press and hold it here. Then click on this I button. So after that, here you have to scroll down and click on the storage button. So at here you have to click on the clear data option, and then you have to click on the delete. Then here you have to open it again. If it's work, then fine. If it's not work for you, then you have to go to your Google search bar or your Play Store. If you're Apple user, then you have to open your Apple Store. So here I am using search bar and search for the GLT getting out. Okay, GLT getting out app. So right here you have to click it, and then here we have to click on the update button and use it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.